Oh, I was not expecting that. We're on this journey together. Let's have a look. A piece of yellow rock was stuck in the grooves of the pan. So what we're going to do is take a couple of draws of sucker tube. I'm going to try these nice deep channels here. There we get on. Ah, yeah, half a pan. It's a big zero on that was all. And I'm working on back. Got a flash there. Oh, that changes things. 1, 2, 3. This is a branch I found. This might actually work. Right, so you can see there where I have the bucket set up on the bank there, just next to where I'm working. Right, that bucket is as full as it's going to be. Quick look on the mat, see is there anything obvious there. I see one little speck there. Yeah, to clean this out. If we had another bucket we could use it, but if not, just use a trowel. Now what I'll do is invert it. Same process again, but this time when it's on its side. Or on back. Actually nice and heavy. Again, it could be from the iron. So the pan was nice and clean. The gold we found earlier is in the snuffer bottle. So hopefully there's something nice in here. Let's have a quick look. Again, we tip out a good bit of water. Bump it off the side. I saw something shiny a second ago. Was it gold? Oh yes, it was gold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of gold there. Some other day when there's more water and I have the Dream Mat full cell, I am absolutely coming back here. If you like this video, chances are you like the videos I've previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, catch you in the next one. We can all go find more shiny.